Good morning, guys! Happy Sunday! Say morning,
Good morning.
We're getting ready kasi mag-check out na kami dito ng 10 o'clock. We only have 7 minutes left. Lipstick muna si ate niya.
Hair check.
So, nakapag-makeup na ako, guys. Kanina, while Daddy Mike went to get our coffees and some... What else did you get?
That's it. Marcus present.
So, yung birthday celebration today is actually at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
So, it's like lunch. Yan. Yes! Yes, na? Come here, we will put some... Is there? Good morning here. Good morning, everyone. Hey.
Good morning. My turtle has a baby.
Nabihisan ko na yan sila. Mabilis lang naman yan sila. Ala. Brush teeth para hindi na mabaho yung hininga natin. Hindi ko pa, alam niyo ba guys, hindi ko pa na-close ito. Yung aking skirt, eh medyo nagkalaman-laman na tayo, ay hindi na siya masara. So, I need Daddy Mike's help. Lotion. So, ginagamit ko na yung ating SY Glow na whitening lotion. So, maganda siya. I really like it, guys. I'll definitely buy more of this pag na-ubos na to. I love the feels sa skin ko for some reason. At masasabi ko parang talaga siya. Liwanag yung aking skin. Gamit ito, I've been using it for definitely over a week now. Ayan. And i-recommend ko to. Maganda siya. Okay, Bob. You just cut the skin.
Now?
Oh my God.
Tell me if it's okay to go.
Okay.
Michelle?
A few moments later.
Smells like food. What do you think? Nandito na kami guys sa Colombata Beach. Yeah, the beach is just there. So dito kami sa Colombata ngayon. It's now 11:20, I think. Go follow Daddy.
No.
See, Daddy's just there and Ate. Come. We're just looking for the place. Do you know where it is, Bob? Tingnan niyo. Oo, ang daming arte ng batang ito. Come on!
Okay.
Could be somewhere here. Outfit check tayo guys before tayo pumasok. Ayan yung suot ni Mama niya today. I don't have my wallet with me, honey. It's in the other bag.
Huh?
It's in the other bag.
Which bag?
The one in the car. But I don't think I have coins there anyways. It's okay, we'll find later. So, ayan. Yung aking top, guys, is from Zimmerman. And a Fendi Sport. Ayan. Super nice. Love this outfit. Ayan. Oh, diba? Aura-aura lang. Come on. Come on, sweetie. I know. Let's go. coins.
Mama.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Ayan na pala, oh, George's
Let's go, girls.
Paragon. Hey, I'll come here first. Amin ka to.
yeah, mami na ito.
Hi there.
Kamu na may inuin na ulang hing. At taga dito.
Hello there. Hello, hello.
Ate.
King man King man. Tunga. Hi, how are you, Jack? How are you? What am I gonna do? Nuts. Shall go.
High five.
There you. I can talk to him.
High five. How are you?
I know. I think this is the reason why there's a hole behind. Yeah. Guys, my family. Oh, this is not my family. He's not my family, okay? Yeah, he's ampon. Oh, say hi to Tito. Daddy ordered orange flowers. Honey, here's your calamari. Fish and chips and calamari rings for the kids. Celine? No. Sila mo? Yum. No? Oh, it's so good. Oh, is that rice under too, Daddy? Oh, yeah, this rice?
No. Nice one. Yeah.
I ordered marinara.
Ay, kaon. Kuha naman ito.
Ato?
Pabara na lang. Brand entrance. Happy birthday.
I have stuff.
You're too late to your own party. I ordered marinara. Come on, sweetie. That's the colors and cheese. Oh yes, please. Thank you.
Really?
Yeah, thank you very much. Awesome. Come on, sweetie. Have a look. Kids to siya na size, guys. This is the main, and it's the kids. You can see any difference. Actually, yung difference lang is may rice sa ilalim. This one doesn't have any rice.
I want rice. I like
You like it? Celine, hey, what are you doing there?
I want chicken.
What are you doing? Huh? Tingnan niyo kung gaano kalaki yung Kita ako nito? Ang laki ng calamari.
Hey, mami, going to order.
Grabe kada po sa octopus. Grabe kada po sa octopus.
Ano na lang nag-video?
Grabe. Mura mag-bracelet pa rin eh. Bracelet.
Bracelet.
Nakamay atong videohan na nato. Tibo.
Yeah, big.
Oyster. Yeah. Oh, no. Also got it. It's down. One plate, please.
Anak ko. Careful ha. You hold it properly, anak. It's breakable.
Good my lang niya.
Wow.
Where's my keys?
Happy birthday to you.
Actually, go na candle. Take a photo, Don. Good one.
Ready? Okay. Boys, sing again. Happy. Happy birthday.
Lumabas na kami ng restaurant guys kasi kakain na kami ng cake. Apparently, magbabayad ka daw ng $80 kapag doon sa loob kakain ng cake. So, nandito kami. Ayan, shopping center kasi siya. Ayan. So, nandito ang buong family. Anton, you're so camera ready.
Picture with the birthday boy.
Cake for more. Na picture na sad. Picture again. Walang katapusang picture. Nak, who's holding you lang? Lang, who's holding you? What's her name? This one.
What's my name?
This one.
Nanay. Nanay. What's the name? Nanay.
Nanay. Christine. Yes.
Yeah. Everyone there.
Wait, is that camera or is that's recording? Just Wait, magtip. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, Filipina. Senhores, você vai lá então. Three, two, horse the board. Horse the
I get first.
Get the jacket off.
Give me the jacket, ate. Ay, nanikising mo isa. Hello, Maluwi. Hindi siya may lawi-lawi.
Come on, Louie. Sit down. Let's sit down.
Sila, mga ngambras man.
Oh, look.
Good, ate?
Going.
Hey, how's your stay?
Hey, mate.
How's your stay?
Big, beautiful, big boy. I love you so much. I love you.
Hello. Look. Wow. All right, come on, sit down.
Sit down.
Come on, we're going.
Lini.
Mommy, we're going.
Ate just called Louie, Lini. We're going home, enough? Kakalabas lang namin from the doctors. Anak, put your seatbelt on na. So, good news, guys. Good news because there's nothing serious. Chinek ng doktor ng maigi, yung kanyang ears, kanyang breathing, kanyang throat, and everything seems to be fine. So, sabi ng doktor, it could be just, nakakuha siya ng, viral, mga virus somewhere. Sabi niya, it's very common right now, especially sa school. Sabi niya, ang dami daw mga kids na hindi nakakapasok ng school this time of the year because nga sa virus. So, nothing needs to be treated, just needs time, rest, and water, anak, yeah? Naguri lang talaga ako, guys, kasi last week pa to eh. But yeah, now I have like, peace of mind. Like, ngayon yung naiwan sa kanya, ubo sipon. Yun. But this morning is the first time na nagising siya na hindi siya mainit. So yeah. You all good, ate? Sabi ng doctor, it could just take a while to recover. But yeah, hopefully, ito na yung first sign na hindi siya naglagnat kaninang umaga. First sign to recovery na niya. So, Yeah. Now where we're going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kada.
What is it, Lynn? What is it? Where are we going, Lynn? Kare-kara. We're going to Carinda kasi gamitin natin yung kanyang Smiggle card. Alright. Ready, steady?
Go!
10 o'clock pa, guys. Naku, maaga pa. Yummy? No. Yum, yum. Oh, yummy. Rice.
Mommy.
Plato pa more. Ang dami pang tao, guys. Anak ko! Eat na! Eat na piano.
She doesn't like tomato sauce. She only likes tomato sauce.
Okay. Yeah?
Like, I like that.
Oh, it's Amy's birthday. Guys, so beautiful, Amy. Beautiful baby. Sorry, it's alright. Don't mind. They're making a dessert now, guys. I'm just showing Ate. Look, this is the chef. This is Chef Ate, guys. The best chef in Brisbane. What about the best chef in Brisbane? Look, this is noodles now, and they're making some kind of. It amazes me. Tingnan nyo. It's a dessert. So you're gonna put the noodles and this one together?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Eat with ice and coconut milk.
Oh, ice and coconut. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, I'm always amazed kapag pumupunta kami dito, guys, because I'm, seeing new things I've never seen before. Tingnan nyo. My jackfruit. What's this, the green thing
The
again?
green is we call pandan noodle. Pandan.
Pandan. Oh yeah, we do have pandan in the Philippines as well. Ah, and
And the red one is made from water chestnut.
water chestnut.
Yoga flower.
Yep. Oh, wow. Yeah, but I was not joking, guys, ha? Talagang si Ate ay chef dito sa Brisbane. So, Ate is Amy's husband. Yeah. So, yeah. There you go. The perfect match. Match made in heaven. Tignan niyo sa daming tao, guys. Busy kakatapos lang kumain. I'm super intrigued with this one. So they put ice. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Nagdulog-lugang sa kapiot. And that's the, what was that again? Coconut milk? Yes. Coconut milk and
Coconut jelly.
yeah, nasa loob. I just told boss that's my favorite. I just buy one from the shop and just eat it from the jar. I eat it all.
You will eat, when you eat like this, it's much better.
How do you call that thing? How do you call that dessert? What's the name? Lochong?
Singapore is like the
Lochong Singapore? So lahat sila dito ay chef. That's Richard, chef, boss si chef. So kapag nandito kami, oh my god, sobrang sarap ng pagkain.
Entire Lochong, Singapore.
Singapore is the country. Because actually this one, the shop is front of the yes, Singapore theater in Thailand. That's why they call the dessert from that. So a bit of this ice, and a bit of coconut milk. And then enjoy.